To make the sandwich, we need some bread slices. You can take white or brown bread slices and remove the sides like this. The sides which we are removing can be used to make breadcrumbs, or if you want, you can just toast them with some butter or ghee, and you can have these with chai or coffee. So similarly, remove the sides of a few more bread slices. Now we are going to roll each bread slice with a rolling pin or balan. So to do this, make sure that the bread is soft and fresh, because if it's crumbly and hard, it will be difficult for you to roll the bread slices. So place 3 slices like this, and on first one spread some Nutella or Hershey's chocolate spread, and in the middle one spread some mixed fruit or any other jam, and in the third one again spread some Nutella or Hershey's chocolate spread. Now place the Nutella one at the bottom, the jam one in the center, and again the Nutella slice on the top like this, and slowly roll this tight to make a roll like this. So I had covered the rolls with a damp cloth so that they don't dry up. You can place these in refrigerator for some time so that it becomes easier for you to cut these. So take a very sharp knife and gently moving it back and forth. I'm not pressing the knife, otherwise the roll will squeeze out. So make sure you do it gently, carefully. So all the easy pinwheel sandwiches are now ready. You can give this to your kids at snack time or in tiffin. Not just the kids, you can also have it. Enjoy!